Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here is your CNY Central NBC3 today in Central New York First Alert forecast. We have more sunshine again today. We have another warm day. In fact, today's probably going to be the warmest day of the bunch coming up here. We have basically had a 0 chance of rain every day up until now. I think today there's a tiny little chance. We'll show you that in a second. But yet it's another sunny day and another very warm day with most of us in the upper 70s. Now, the threat for showers and thunder showers goes up starting tomorrow and for the rest of the week right through Saturday. Well, by the time we get to Mother's Day and Monday, maybe even Tuesday too, it's going to be noticeably cooler. You know, the normal high is 66. We have been above to well above normal ever since last Tuesday. So for a week, we've already been well above normal. Well, now we're going to make up for it a little bit by going somewhat below normal. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast in a second. So we start off sunny and dry, and I think most of us should remain dry all day. You notice this little bit of green over there, and you'll see this at 8 o'clock. You'll see a little blip of green in near Syracuse. The chance that we get a shower or thunderstorm locally is only 10%. I think the models are overdoing it. It's been very dry. I'd rather side on a drier forecast, despite the model saying that, because a lot of the moisture is still to our south. Most of us 75 to 79. The best chance of 80 is Syracuse downtown and Ithaca downtown, like by the Commons. Right along the east and south shore, or west and south shore of Lake Ontario in through here, actually east, we're probably going to be in the upper 60s and cooling with that lake breeze. Overnight tonight, let's just call it partly cloudy. And then we look ahead to Wednesday, and some of that southern moisture is closer. Now, what I think is going to happen on Wednesday is that the cloudiest, coolest weather and the wettest weather most often will be down to the south. Conversely, you go further to the north, you're brighter longer, which means the sun's out longer, and you will likely be warmest. You'll see this happening. See, there's the green first there, then here, and then to the north last. So the 77 that you see here, that's likely in Watertown tomorrow. Syracuse, it's more like 70 to 75. Let's just put 74 here for conversation's sake. And let's just go 69 down here just to pick numbers, maybe even a little lower. There you go. Point is, we haven't had rain since last Monday. We could use some just simply for the fact that the lawns could use a drink. And more importantly, the flowers and trees have been in full bloom. You need to have rain to just wash some of that pollen out of the air and off of the ground. The pollen is way crazy. So maybe that will help our allergy sufferers just a little bit here. We're going to have some unsettled skies that continue Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So yet another day with sun, but then we get into this kind of mixed bag Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, where we have clouds, some sun, and yes, an opportunity and probability for scattered showers and thunder showers. Note the green numbers here indicating a better than 50% chance. And it's not just 50 or 55. Then we got 66 tomorrow, 66 Friday, 75 Saturday. That is percentage chance that you get some rain or thunder. Here is your 7-day forecast. So again, like I mentioned, we're still above normal, well above normal today, and a little bit above normal the next couple of days. But when we get to the weekend, I think we're going to start tampering and tipping our temperatures downward a bit. 50s. Little chilly. Local temperatures for you. Regional temperatures. 82 in Burlington. So we're not see, it's to the cooler. It's cooler south. It's a little upside down the weather. Well, that's where some of that weather's coming from again today. Again, there's that southern swirl. The reason why it's cooler down there is, well, there's less sun down there. So again, today it's better here locally than it is in Virginia, better than Washington and Nevada. Or I should say not Washington, California, Nevada. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Anytime, anywhere, you can check CNYCentral.com.